Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to create Google Drive link to share photos. And in this video I'm going to break down step by step process in this video. I hope you love this video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. Here you can see we are already landed in our Google Drive home. So here you can see we have allowed to upload file like 15 GB. So I'm going to create an folder that will be share image or upload. So let's do it, and let's create on create. And once I create it, now if you visit on your My Drive option, you are allowed to check it out. Just refresh it. Once you refresh it, then you can easily view your folder over that place. So finally you can see in My Drive we have our folder called upload. So we will visit that place. When we enter here, now we can upload our file or image, video, whatever you want to share, you are allowed to upload in this folder. So I'm going to click on, then I will click on file upload, and now they are give us the option to upload file. I will like upload video, image, many more, whatever I have. So let's upload it and let's see it. So once I click on open, now it will be upload one by one. You can see in the right corner in the bottom bar we have option for upload. If you change the view, then you just need to be click over here. Once your upload has been confirmed or done, then you can share your folder with your friend, with your colleague, with your family member, like whatever we want. You can share it with anyone. You have the option to do it. So next, once you done upload it, your work, like I can say 80% work has been done. Just you need to be share your folder by clicking on here. Now you can see we have two sharing option. So if you click on share on this, then you can share it by email, group, and calendar events. Like let's call a name, that will be this one, and I am going to share with this person. I am giving him only viewer option. Then if I click on send, you will allow to see this folder. If you want to share your file by link and you just want to share the link with anyone, then you just need to be click on copy link. Once you click over here, now you can see it, we already have a shareable link. We just need to be copy it by clicking share, and let's make it. Now you can see it is general access is restricted. So if I copy the link, then I'm not allowed to view it. Just go into incognito mode and let's view it. So you can see we are not allowed to see it. If I take it out on the restricted, again copy anyone with link, just click on copy link and let's view this it again. And as you can see, now we are allowed to view this folder. We have image, we are now download it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found out this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.